Now, welcome to our casa for the weekend as we are staying at the Wilderness Lodge, and this will be the King Suite. And we were actually lucky enough to get on the 5th floor, so we're going to get to a beautiful view on the balcony. But first, on the right-hand side, you will see you got these closed cabinets or cupboards, whatever you call them. This will be your closet space area. So the first one, as we open this up, bam, you will see you'll have all this area right here where you can hang up any extra clothes. You can put your suitcases there, which we probably should do. We kind of got a little sneak peek area, so we just placed all our luggage around right now, but we'll tidy up. We'll get it all looking good. But it's a double-sided door, so you can open right here, and then we will reverse and we will push it that way. So it's actually very spacious. You could probably fit maybe a family of 4 for a week. I'm just assuming, but that is probably what can fit for there. Now, if it gets any bigger, that's when you're going to start spreading around, and you'll have your cupboards near the TV over here, and then you got the space under the bed too, which is very nice because most hotels, they don't give you that extra space, so you can even throw your suitcase under there if need be. But then opening this up here, you'll have your safe, you'll have your handheld steamer, which is very nice, and again, more storage space. So this can fit a lot of room for a short period of time or a long period of time. Bam, we'll just get both, as you see, top and bottom. And then you'll see right here, you'll have your drawer, make sure everything's clean. Yep, everything's good to go. You will have your coffee, you will have your coffee cups, and you'll have your plastic disposable cups as well. And for you that do need that Energy Star to hit any park, you do have that Keurig machine. Now those waters, they do not come with the park. Me and the missus, what we did, we just stopped by the store and we got the cheaper water. So any water works. You already know, Florida heat, you got to stay hydrated. And then as you look in the back, there's these subtle little hidden like Disney things, and you'll see Bambi right there with the butterfly. And then on the top, you're gonna test my knowledge really well, but it's the owl, and I don't know the name. His name is probably Owl as well. You guys, let me know in the comments down below. Yeah, it's a huge struggle there, but yeah, it's cute little subtle Disney touches, and you're gonna see that throughout the room as well once we get to it. And then going towards the bottom, what you will see here, you actually got a fridge where you can actually look in as well. You will see it's not huge, but it's probably your standard size fridge for a hotel room. As you see, we already got a cake here. Like I mentioned, it is the missus' birthday, so we're doing a little celebration. So it's gonna be a very fun and exciting weekend. Bam, let me center that. There we go. Now, where the magic happens. Not really. Magic shouldn't be happening in this area, but as you see, you have a mirror to get you started, get you ready. Bam, bam, bam. But then once you move these sliding doors, hopefully I move it the right way, you get another big mirror. And you get the restroom area, which the bathroom is very, very nice, to say nothing less. You get the double sinks right here. You get the beauty makeup area for the missus with the light too, to help with those kind of situations they be going through in the morning to make themselves beautiful for that Disney kind of day. I do like this a lot. I don't know if this is actually a light that's turned on all night, if it's just turned on with the bathroom light. But once we flip around in the main room, you will see it's literally a light with the window stainless glass, and I think at night it'll look very nice, and that may just be something we keep on throughout the day. And then as we do a complete 180, bam, now you get the bathroom, you get the toilets, and you get the shower. Let's turn this on real quick. Bam, and look how beautiful that is. I love the way the shower looks. It's fancy, to say nonetheless. Of course, you got your toilet at the bottom right there, and then the shower. You literally got like that shower head where you just stand underneath. It's one of them big, big bad boys. And then you got the wooden look, but I think it's still tile. Yeah, that's still tile. And then you got a different kind of tile on the back over here as well. Very nice. And I know all you Disney fanatics freak out about these. You be taking them home. They do got the H2O series in here for your body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. I be using that through the weekend. I do not be going as wild as most of y'all though. I do not be taking them home. Maybe I should. Maybe I'm missing out on something there. And then of course, you got your complimentary towels here. Bam. And over here, bam. So you are fully decked out and ready to go. And then of course, one final note, as you will see towards the bottom, you do got your storage space for any I said utensils like we're eating, but utilitarian stuff like mouthwash, toothbrush, whatever you need to get you through the weekend. Plenty of space for you and your spouse, your spouse and kids. There's plenty of room to get you right. And as well, as I mentioned, as you guys go nuts about, you got the lotion, you got the bath soap, hand soap as well with some Kleenex. Y'all go nuts with it. I will most definitely be using it as well. Now to the reason why we are all here. The main event. The King Suite itself. Now before we get to the bed, because the bed, it looks comfy. On the left-hand side, for any of y'all to get work done, for any of you content creators, you do got a little desk space right here. You do got this nice little wooden mirror to check yourself out in the morning with this nice, I love this lamp. It's like a nice wood cabin lamp. Very cool, very nice. And then also, if you do need room service, you need anything at the resort, it's got a little directory with the phone on the side as well. So maybe a little midnight munchie snack, you'll be good to go. Also, let's look at the wallpaper around. Don't you just love it? It gives you that legit wilderness vibe. And you will see as we go down the line, and I will spot it out later, there's gonna be more hidden Disney features. But before we do get to the hidden Disney feature, there's a hidden feature right here, which I thought was really cool, which I can use at night. If you read a book, if you're on your phone, whatever it may be, this light right here, bam, just turns on. And you can point it direct, you can point it down at the bed. That way, let's say your spouse is asleep, you can just focus on your light in that area. Or if you just need a night light at night, it shouldn't bother the person right next to you, and it will just basically focus on your area. So I think this is really cool. I don't know why this, out of all things, is what caught my eye, but I think it's unique. You can adjust the levels of the brightness right here with this switch, but as well, you don't have to hit that at all. Just close it and bam, it turns off automatically, which is amazing. Now, look at this bedboard. Look at that. That thing is huge. I see why everyone be freaking out about these Disney beds, and it is beautiful. Like, I love it. This is our first king size suite we've stayed in. We normally stay in the double queen beds, but this time we decided to go all out for the missus' birthday, and we're like, yeah, this is gonna work. This is what we are looking for. And then as you move over, focus on the wallpaper. Focus on the wallpaper. Do y'all notice the hidden Disney character? Come on, y'all do it. We're gonna zoom in. We're gonna get there. Yes, it is Chip and Dale playing around with an acorn. I love it. It's not like those crazy Disney hits, but man, I love the little subtle things. It's what makes it unique and pops out for this room. And as well, then you'll go down. I know everyone be freaking out about these. My wife's played around with it. We're gonna do it. Not right now, but later on in the video. It's called Hey, I don't want to say it because it's going to get her going. Should I? It's called Hey Disney. And I hope that did activate it. Okay, it didn't. But what it is, it's like an Alexa where you can ask questions. It will tell you jokes. It will tell you what's going on in the park, what time the park's open, what's going on around your resort. It's very cool. And we're going to play around with it later, but it's definitely something that I thought I should mention to you guys. Again, you got extra space right here. Should have your Bible. Yep, it does. And then, if you don't want to get on the bed, if you've been dirty all day playing around in the park, you got this nice little lounge chair area. Yeah, you already see. Disney, they got us. We had to go get some goodies. What's new? That's what always happens. But this ain't your only area as well. You do have a chair over here. And then you do have a chair over here as well. So you got plenty of seating areas. You can even add both these chairs to this table too and pull them out. And then you can have like a little dining area as well. For a place that a lot of people say isn't that spacious, it kind of is. At least for a family of two, honestly. But I understand if you have a family of 4 to 6, it may not be big enough. But for us, this is perfect. And then of course, Disney always knows how to do the little things. I'm not talking about this Paul Bunyan photo, even though this picture is very cool. I'm talking about, as I mentioned, it's my wife's birthday. Bam. Yep, I pulled her full government up there, but I think it's cool. As you all know, when it comes to checking in at your Disney resort, they will put your name on here and welcome you to your stay, but They acknowledged her birthday, and I thought that was a very awesome, cool feature. And then, let me slow down. Let me catch my breath. We do got more space right here. As you see, we got 6 storage areas for extra clothing as well. So y'all can't be packing that much clothes. Definitely for us for a weekend. This should do the trick. This should get you right. And as well too, on the bottom over here, you will see they got this small little trash recycle area. For me, this is something new and unique. Usually it's just a bin, that's a trash bin, but now you can tell they're dividing each. So I thought that's really nice to have a recycle option. And then for the final thing of this room tour, and I don't even know if y'all ready for this, because I wasn't. Once we go past these doors, there ain't no going back from this view. So let's pull it open. Yeah, I'm gonna let this do the talking for itself. No, I'll probably still talk, but look at this. This view is just magnificent. So beautiful. And we had the option to opt in for water view or like a parking lot view. I'm so happy we went this route. Like, this is just straight up beautiful. I'm gonna be spending my nights while we're here, out here, just enjoying this. Now, it's not a firework view, and it's hard to actually kind of see fireworks from here. The fireworks will be shot off from this distance from Magic Kingdom, so we might see the top of them. We'll definitely hear them, but we'll probably go to the park nonetheless, or we can go down below and listen to the Happily Ever After and just enjoy it from there. And then as you see, you got your standard 2 seats, bam, here. You got your table right here, bam. And then rotate over here, bam. Now let's head back inside because this is Florida. It's a doozy out here. It is hot. We're gonna end it talking in the mirror right here. It's not gonna be the end of the video, but it's gonna be end of the room tour. We got a whole resort to go through, so hey, keep involved. We're gonna go back to back. We got food to show y'all. We got the pool, we got the lake. We may even have any firework and park action. So let's cut this part and let's head on to the next adventure.